Hey guys!
I'm Max and this is my sister Ruby, and we're here from our channel Boardgame Blizzard. Today we're going to be showing you our top 5 favorite board games. Let's get started with number 5.
Number 5. Max, can you tell us about your number 5?
So my number 5 is King of Tokyo. This is a pretty fun game. It has won 5 awards, but not all this year.
How do you win King of Tokyo?
So the goal is you have a board.
You don't have to teach the whole game. Just tell how do you win.
So how you win is you either defeat all the other monsters or you get 20 victory points. Sit down.
Nice. And what's your favorite part about the game?
Probably when you get to
when you defeat all the monsters.
When you defeat a monster, you
definitely feel good.
Yeah, it feels
You're
good.
like, oh yeah, I just defeated this guy. Yay. My favorite,
Yep, Ruby, you're number 5?
is Five Tribes. We just got this game and I just started playing it and it's really, really fun. I love the concept. I love where it's stationed. I love the setting and it's just a really fun game and I love to play it.
Okay. Number 4. Max, what is your number 4?
My number 4 is...
It doesn't matter, Max, just show.
Oh my
You can just leave it closed.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Red November.
Oh, and what's Red November about?
It's about
A spaceship, like a submarine.
a submarine that's
Sorry.
underwater that everything is going wrong.
Oh, no.
The air pressure is going wrong.
There's monsters attacking from the outside.
Yeah, the Kraken's attacking.
People are drinking soda
Yeah.
and fainting.
And fainting. Yeah. So this game has good theme, and it's just really fun to play, and I think it has a lot of detail.
Do you play against each other or as a team?
You play as a team to try to defeat the Kraken and stuff.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. And Ruby, what is your
Mine-
number 4?
Fourth favorite game is Seven Wonders. This is a great game. I love how it's a deck building game kind of, and you earn money and you get to pick different cards and it's you pass them around the table so you're never getting
You
the
mean a
same
card drafting game?
card drafting game, exactly.
Okay.
So when you're drawing different cards and you get all these cards and you get to use them a lot and it really helps you win, and so I really like this game because you're playing it against each other. It's just you're having a lot of fun while you're doing it because you're doing it with your family or friends.
Nice. What's another game that's a lot like Seven Wonders that you play a lot? Where you draft a card and pass the deck.
Oh yeah, Sushi.
Sushi Go, and we also love to play that one, but that one is not in our top 5 board games today.
Okay. Sushi goes more for some of the younger kids.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Number 3.
This is really fun. Sorry.
Okay, Max, what is your number 3?
My number 3 is Rampage.
Rampage. What is Rampage about?
It's about 4 dragons trying to attack the city to
box in front of your face.
get meeples, get meeples
Sorry.
and eat them, and then like defeat the other monsters.
This game also is not called Rampage anymore. It is
It's
called
yeah.
Trouble in Maple City.
Terror.
Terror in Maple City. And if this is like one of a few copies that was made of the game, so it's special to us, and
Yeah.
it's very, very cool game, and we love it.
So yeah, and my favorite part is that you get to pick up vans and like huck them at the other monsters.
As you can see right in the corner here, one of the guys is already picking up the man, getting ready to throw it. Okay.
Nice.
My third favorite game is a game called Legendary. And this is a deck building game. I like playing with all my favorite superheroes, and I love that now you can like make your own superheroes online. If you go online, you can like make your own at boardgamegeeks.com. It's very, very fun game. You're working together and you're trying to defeat the supervillain. It's hilarious and funny, and you're all trying to do something, but sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, and it's like confusing but amazing at the same time. So, yeah, you should try out Legendary.
Nice. Number 2.
I got it. Okay, you get it.
Do you both have your number
Yeah.
2 is the
Okay,
same?
so our number 2, we picked the same
Yeah.
game because we love playing this game with our family, and
what
it's
is it?
just so much fun. It's
Yeah.
Mice and Mystics, and you're playing chapter after chapter, and it just gets so addicting, and it's so much fun to do this adventure. And it's about like a prince who gets turned into a mouse to try to save his father from this evil witch person who's gonna be his wife soon. So it's like, and there's a storybook, and you get to read it, and it's so much.
Yeah.
You have anything to say?
Yeah, and remember the time when I tracked the centipede, and then I got my hammer and whacked it right in the face.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
We love to play this game, and it's just really fun. So you guys should try it out.
All right.
Number 1.
And number 1. Who's going to go first?
I will.
Okay.
Mine is a small game, but it's really fun.
All right. Go ahead. Number 1.
My first favorite game is King's Critters, because it's really fun. There's a dragon asleep, and then if you wake it up, it's like really, really bad. So, and like,
What are you trying to do in the game?
you're trying to collect critters and bring them back to the zoo.
Oh, the king lost his
Yeah.
critters out of the zoo?
As zoo, so yeah. And once I got like 3 reds in a row, and then the third card, I woke the dragon up, and Dad's like, "Oh my god."
Okay, so my favorite game is Sheriff of Nottingham. It's been out for a while, and I was just begging my dad to get this game because it seemed so fun. I watched a lot of YouTube videos about people playing this game, and they seemed like they had a lot of fun. So I wanted to try it out for myself, and I did, and I just had so much fun playing with it. It was probably the best experience I've ever had with a board game. I will never forget playing this game for the first time. My favorite part is probably when you're like trying to figure out if this person is lying or not. You're like, "You're lying. No, you're lying. This is so confusing." But it's so much fun. You just get so into the game, and you're getting to character, and it's just so characteristic and so amazing that it's just not able to put into words. I mean, it's an amazing game, and you guys should definitely try it.
Anyway.
All right. Is there any other game that almost made your list?
Yes, Takedo was one of my favorite games when I was
Oh, and
last year, and I just couldn't stop playing it. And last year for my birthday, I had a birthday cake of the game. It was amazing. My dad made it, and he's so amazing at making creations on little paint figures, so I figured he'd just be the right person to put it on frosting with. So that game is amazing, and it was almost in my top 5, but it's probably my number 6.
What about
and
you?
also top Team Manager Blood Bowl.
Oh, Team Manager Blood Bowl, you like that game?
Yeah, and it's just fun. There's linebackers and
It really gets the concept of
yeah,
football, right?
there's like all different teams. There's like ogres and vampires and skeletons and chaos and stuff.
Wow.
It's amazing.
All right. Thank you much, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Hopefully you can check us out on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes.
Yes, of course you're watching us on YouTube right now. But you can check us out on Boardgame Geek, and yeah. So stay tuned. See you
See
next
ya.
time. Bye.
Play more games.